Some common causes of bus accidents are distracted driving, using a cell phone. It could also be fatigue. Bus drivers are only allowed to operate a limited number of hours per day and per week. It could also be a maintenance issue. Buses primarily, they drive all of the time. Bus companies make money when people are buying fares and they're transporting people from one site to another. Maintenance issues are a common cause. It could be an issue with the steering wheel. It could be an issue with the tires themselves. It could be an issue with the alignment of the wheels that causes the tires to wear out prematurely.
We handle a lot of cases of what we call negligent hiring and retention. The framework, the regulations, the laws, it dictates kind of in black and white what these companies are required to do to vet their drivers. A lot of times we'll find with these crashes that the companies completely disregard these federal and state mandates. They put incompetent drivers behind the wheel, and it's just a matter of when these crashes are going to happen.